ETF ఇండెక్స్ మ్యూచువల్ ఫండ్స్ నేర్చుకుని స్టాక్ మార్కెట్లో రాణించాలనుకుంటున్నారా? వెంటనే ఈ నెంబర్కి కాల్ చేయండి.
హలో వ్యూవర్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. ప్రస్తుతం మనతో ఉన్నారు మొమెంటమ్ ఇన్వెస్టర్ వినోద్ కుమార్ గారు. నమస్తే సార్.
నమస్కారం అండి.
సార్, మైక్రో క్యాప్ మ్యూచువల్ ఫండ్స్ అంటే ఏంటి సార్ అసలు? అంటే వీటిలో ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ చేస్తే మనకి రిటర్న్స్ అనేవి ఎలా ఉంటాయి? అంటే మంచి ప్రాఫిటబుల్గా ఉంటాయా మైక్రో క్యాప్ మ్యూచువల్ ఫండ్స్లో?
స్టాక్ మార్కెట్లో ఉన్న 5-6 వేల స్టాక్స్, ప్రతి కంపెనీకి ఒక మార్కెట్ క్యాప్ ఉంటుంది. మార్కెట్ క్యాపిటలైజేషన్ ఆఫ్ అ కంపెనీ స్టాక్ విచ్ ఇస్ లిస్టెడ్ ఆన్ ద స్టాక్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ఎలా వస్తుంది అంటే నంబర్ ఆఫ్ అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ షేర్స్ ఇన్ టు ద కరెంట్ మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్. సపోజ్ ఒక కంపెనీ 1 lakh షేర్స్ అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ షేర్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, కంపెనీ స్టాక్ ప్రైస్ 10 రూపీస్ ఉంది. సో 10 lakhs is a market capitalization. Now, depending on the market capitalization categories, they are put into large cap, mid cap, small cap, micro cap, nano cap.
Nano cap, okay. Nano.
So there are small stocks where your this thing, what you call market cap is small, they are put into smaller categories. Now micro cap comes under category between 500 to 2000 crores market cap, which is current market price into number of outstanding shares. Now these micro cap stocks are what we call small value stocks అని మనం మాట్లాడుతుంటాం, డిస్కషన్ చేస్తాం. చిన్న స్టాక్స్ కొన్నా చెప్పండి ఏమన్నా, ఎందుకంటే అవి బాగా మూమెంట్ ఇస్తాయి, బాగా వెలుగుతాయి, అందులో పెడదాం. ఇప్పుడు ఒక హెచ్డిఎఫ్సి బ్యాంక్ కొనాలంటే 1700 రూపీస్ కావాలి. ఓకే, హెచ్ఏఎల్ కొనాలంటే 5000, 6000. ఐ థింక్ నౌ ఇట్స్ higher than that. Now what's happening is, for a small retail investor, he would like to prefer to buy some low value stocks or small size of the stock.
Yes.
Right? Now large caps move stable. Okay, mid caps move aggressive. Small caps also will move aggressive. Micro cap will move more aggressive. Now for us retailers, your investments are small. You would like to get big returns. Then you look at micro cap stocks. Okay, but micro cap stocks lo problem entante the announcements are less.
Okay,
the information is less people cover that. If you take any analyst, any mutual funds, they will not cover these stocks much, because mid cap, large cap వాటిలో ఎక్కువ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఈ మైక్రో క్యాప్స్లో ఎక్కువ ఉండదు. సో దే విల్ నాట్ స్పెండ్ టైమ్ అండ్ ఎనర్జీస్ అండ్ మనీ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ఆల్ దీస్ కంపెనీస్. మనం జనరల్గా సెర్చ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తామంటే, ఓకే గివ్ మీ అ కంపెనీ హూజ్ మార్కెట్ క్యాప్ మోర్ దెన్ 5000 crores, 10,000 crores ఇలా సర్చ్ చేస్తాం. మ్యూచువల్ ఫండ్స్ విల్ సర్చ్ బియాండ్ దట్. ఓకే గివ్ మీ స్టాక్ విచ్ ఇస్ బియాండ్ 20,000, బియాండ్ 30,000 crores అలా చూస్తారు. సో ఈ చిన్న వాల్యూ స్టాక్స్, చిన్న మార్కెట్ సైజ్ ఆఫ్ కంపెనీస్ ఎవరు చూస్తారు? చాలా లెస్ పీపుల్. సో లెస్ కవరేజ్. But you and I are more interested in those stocks because the growth is big if it is really works out correctly. At the same time, now if you see Patanjali, it was 3 rupees or 4 rupees in 2019, 18 or 17 time. Today it is, I think, 1500 rupees. See the amount of move that has gone on. So the problem is, the coverage is less. For you and me, if you search, you will not get much information. There is no analyst coverage. There is no announcement major by company. Only as per compliance they will do announcement. Otherwise, there is no investor call. There is no con call. There is no meetings. There is no road shows. All those things only will tell us, okay, this company is there. How many of you know that Sri Ravi Shankar Garu Guruji, he has founded a company.
Yes.
How many of us know? We don't know.
Yes, we don't know.
Right? Because those are small companies.
Yes.
So that's the problem. Now, Mutulal, he has come forward, and since from last 5-6 years, we have seen small caps, mid caps, micro caps, they are moving big than the large caps, big companies.
Yes.
People started showing more and more interest in that. Recent past lo kuda meer chuste, most of the mutual funds which have given 20%, 25%, 30% compounding return in the last 5 years, 10 years, those are all, lower size companies where these people have invested in those companies. The focus has shifted now to mid cap, small cap, micro cap, and lower market size companies. Motilal Oswal has started uniquely thinking and said, okay, why don't we start a micro cap mutual fund? In this, 250 stocks are there. Even what NSE has done is, they have created an index, Nifty Micro Cap 250 index and create J7.
Yes.
That index will have 250 stocks of all those companies whose market cap is between 500 to 2000 crores. Now, if the stock price goes up, okay, automatically it may go, the market capitalization will go up. If it crosses 2000 crores, then they will put into mid cap. So it will get shifted into mid cap. So all the mid cap funds, they'll try to buy that company. Till now, only micro cap mutual fund guys were buying. Now, what happens? Mid cap guys also will buy. So this micro cap stocks, where for retailers it is very tough to do research because the limited knowledge, limited information, okay, limited announcements, it's very tough to select a stock for retailers. So they have to depend on tips. Okay, they have to depend on somebody near and dear telling that this stock is good, that stock is good. They go and buy without knowing anything. But here is a mutual fund who will do all the research, find the best opportunity, and go and invest in that particular stock. Okay, and this mutual fund who is concentrating on micro cap, after doing thorough research, they are investing, and these micro cap generally make big moves. The returns will be good. The way market is moving today, industry elagaithe move aitundo, retailer ki day by day, his work is reducing. Okay, and he doesn't have to break his heads. Till now, what was happening? People, many of us who started in the stock market, they started with tips only.
Yes.
Right? Later, when the fingers got burned and all those things, then what happened? You started thinking, okay, let us try to understand what is fundamental, what is technical, what is quantitative. Now, all those things are not required also. You don't have to break your head. Only thing you have to break your head is which is the mutual fund which can take risk investments and also give confirmed returns.
Yes.
Okay, that fund you go and invest. And a company like Motilal Oswal definitely are a good research house. Okay, but they will definitely invest in these micro cap stocks after thorough research. As a retailer, I'll just go blindly and then do SIP. SIP is always the best method for retailers, right? Otherwise, in lump sum in 3-4 chunks you invest, that's also good. Invest in SIP in such micro cap funds, and there are 250 stocks. All the 250 stocks will not go into loss. Okay, even few stocks which go up, 30-40% of the stocks they go up, and they give big returns, the whole fund will give good returns.
Yes.
They started in, I think, last year, June. Already the returns, what they're showing, performance, what they're showing is alarming. It's best way that, most of the retailers shift to mutual funds. Now we have got, what you call buffet of mutual funds.
Yes.
Okay, when we go to buffet, there are all items which are covered there.
Yes.
Okay, from starters to the main course and after the desserts, right? Now you also have the same thing. You want small caps, you want micro caps, you want mid caps, you want large caps, you want a mix of that. Okay, you want a momentum of all these.
Yes.
All, you have a buffet of mutual funds today. In that, I feel that, micro cap mutual fund can be the best mutual fund, which will give us the best return.
Yes.
That is my understanding. I have done the research. I have also invested. That is my disclaimer. In this as an SIP I'm doing right now. When the market falls, I may do lump sum also, but I'm not a SEBI research analyst. Okay, I'm just sharing this as an education. Anyone who wants to invest, go do your thorough research, discuss with your financial advisor, take an informed decision, and definitely you should get some good returns in such mutual funds is my understanding.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
సుమన్ టీవీలో మీ పర్సనల్ అండ్ బిజినెస్ ప్రమోషన్స్ కోసం కింది నెంబర్కి కాంటాక్ట్ చేయండి.